What is up, traders, and welcome back to Uplift Markets. Today we'll be discussing the BBAI trade and why we're really bullish and why the overall market is slowly starting to add into this name, especially with Palantir. We'll be giving key levels and price predictions for 2025, so stay tuned. Before we start off, please feel free to subscribe to the Uplift Markets newsletter, where we provide personal AI insights and AI-powered trade setups straight to your inbox. BBAI has been a very intense stock. It's been heavily shorted, and this is why we believe this is out for a break. Let's look at the chart here. You guys see on my overall screen, we're on a daily chart of BBAI. I'm liking this name because we are above key levels of support. We are above the 50 EMA, which is this yellow line, and above the 200 EMA, which is this overall black line. As you guys can see, we're above the black line and above the 50 EMA. And also, what I really like about this name is we know we were looking up, right? Bullish trend, but sellers came in. They were really powerful. So we want to factor that in the stock as well. So simply what we'll do is plot a swing high anchored VWAP to measure the average entry price that those short participants entered BBAI. So let's do that on here. And let's change the color to be a bright red. As you guys can see, it was, resistance for quite a while, and we stayed below it for a very long time, ever since these highs. But now we broke above it and we managed to close above it. And also, we broke this prior high. And what I mean by this is that this was a high, we came back, we closed above it, broke this area of resistance above this, and now these sellers are starting to feel nervous. And what they'll do is that they'll start to cover. And people, seeing that it's above the 50 MA, are going to add, so it's double buying. And I'm really bullish on this name. Now, we project that BBAI will be going towards the highs, so future price target here on BBAI is going to be $10. If the bullish continuation continues, I like to see the next day, so tomorrow, pretty much Friday, June 27th, have a candle that, firmly adds to the confluence, a breakout candle that gives us that confirmation that the sellers from this high right here failed to bring the stock down lower, right? So if this happens tomorrow, we have this type of candle, I'd be looking for price targets towards $10, and this can easily be played through options, right, or even through stock, and using the Fibonacci retracement, kind of measuring the move and the extent of it. We go up and we have a price target towards $15. Obviously, this is going to be more of a swing trade due to the fact that we are seeing a lot of call volume. And what I mean by that is that buyers are really bullish on this name. So let's go on a put to call ratio here of BBAI. We see here the expiration dates, right? The date to expiration, the volume and the call volume, and the overall open interest. As we can see, the expiration date for the 27th of June, so today, pretty much, actually tomorrow, Friday, the call volume is 44,000 right here, compared to a put volume or short interest of 9,000. And we see that the call volume is higher throughout the majority of these dates, all the way pretty much the whole time. So there's a lot of bullish momentum even towards the 15th of January of 2027. Look at that. The call volume is nothing compared to this volume here, but what I mean is that the call volume is bigger than the put volume throughout the whole dates. So that just shows how much bullishness is behind this underlying. People that have been short that the highs are now getting squeezed, and there's an opportunity to enter the name. So I believe if Palantir and overall here BBAI has this candle closing tomorrow, right, just giving us confirmation through time that the sellers are not as intense and buyers are coming in, I believe firmly that a break of $6 at this close with this candle can propulse the stock higher, and first profit target is going to be $10. And if there's a lot of bullishness in this name, I see the name going up to $15, right? So the stock is seeing a high and intense put to call ratio. The stock is bullish and has been heavily favored by institutions. So that is our overall analysis. If you guys like this video, feel free to subscribe to the channel. We upload daily videos. And also, feel free to subscribe to the Uplift Markets newsletter, where we provide personal AI insights and AI-powered trade setups straight to your inbox. Apart from that, hope you guys have a wonderful day. And remember, stay uplifted and don't let the markets whip you guys out. I'll see you guys on the next one.